Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the fruit fly trap. Okay, get a empty water bottle, take out the label, the cap, take out the cap and you could recycle this. Then cut, it's a scissor, you could just cut it. Cut about that much. And then what you do is insert upside down the top part into the bottom. Just like that. And then you put one part water, one part apple cider vinegar. Then a few drops of Dawn dishwashing liquid. And that's it. If you are going to just put it inside your house, you could just put it like this. If you are going to put it in your yard around your vegetables, then you just make a hole. You could use a drill, but I like to use the soldering iron. And then you could just put a string or garden wire to just tie it somewhere. But this has to be placed somewhere that doesn't rain. That the rainwater that won't reach, because otherwise you get all the rainwater inside there. So what I do when I put it around my vegetables, I use one of these cups, any plastic cup, large plastic cup, make a hole on the top, and then I make 2 holes on the sides. And just like that. And then I pass a string from the top. And make a knot. I used a wire before to hang this, but then when it rains, all the water seeps through the hole. But if you make a knot here, at least it will stop most of the water. And then I make another knot on top so that less water will get in. You only get a few drops of water inside, so that's okay. Like that. Take a piece of wire or twist tie. If you don't have this, you can use twist ties. But don't much. Do it through the hole here. Turn a few times. And then, since it's hard to put it through the hole inside the cup, I bend it a little bit here, like that. Then you align it to the cup. not easy to get in. Once you get it in, twist it and tie the wire, and that's it. It's finished. You can just hang it somewhere around your vegetables, and you will get a lot of fruit flies inside there. Okay, thank you for watching. Look at all these cucumbers came out already. It's June 11th. More here, all over. Hi, I would like to tell you something about the squash. Usually the female flowers will bloom first, and the fruit will begin to grow a little, but then if they don't get pollinated, because the male flowers, they usually come out a couple of weeks later, so they if they don't get pollinated, the fruit will just fall. So if you see the fruit falling, that's because they're not being pollinated by the male flowers. See, these are the male flowers. They don't have a fruit behind the flower. And this is a female flower. See, there's a fruit behind. So the bees will come and pollinate them. But if you don't see any bees, and if the male flowers are blooming but then the fruits are falling, then you'll have to use a Q-tip to pollinate them by hand. Okay, that's one of the tips.